Hello viewers, welcome to episode 1 on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. On today's edition, I will teach you the basics on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is a scramble cube and I'll be using this as an example to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to start with, I want you to first of all know how a Rubik's Cube is made or being labeled. We have these center pieces, like these middle pieces, which they don't rotate, and this color here matches the color on that side. That is the first thing you should know. Like here we are to have the red pieces here, blue, the blue pieces here, yellow, all the yellow pieces here, and so on and so forth. So to start with, you can pick a color. Example, I will start with the white color. We can use this white as an example. So to solve a Rubik's Cube, we can say this is the top layer, this is the bottom layer, this is the right side, this is the left side, this is the back, and this is the front. So as we are solving for the white, because we need to begin with a cross. So to form a white cross, we have to look for center pieces, these ones, and these ones are the angle pieces. We will get to know more about them in the upcoming videos. These are the center pieces. So to begin, we look for any of the center pieces that has white on it, like this one, like this one, like this one, like this, and so on. So to begin with, we first of all locate any of those pieces with white on it. An example, this orange, it has white and it has orange. What we need to do is we simply rotate the top layer, because the yellow is facing up, which means the yellow now is the top layer. So we rotate the top layer 180 degrees to meet this white side. So we rotate it 1, 2. Now if you look closely, you see that we have this white and it matches with this yellow. The next piece we should locate with white on it should be blue. When we see this color blue, what we simply do is we rotate the top layer until this blue matches with blue. As you can see, it now matches with blue, and then we rotate it 180 degrees to meet this other white. So now we have orange and white. Forget about this piece. We have orange and white, and then we have blue and white. The next color which we are to look for is this one, red, so it matches with white too to form the cross. Looking at red, this is it, so we simply just rotate it. But now when you look closely, you see that the colors, they are interchanged. So for us to be able to solve this problem, we rotate the red piece, the top to the right, we rotate the right side up, we remove this red piece out of the way like this to match this red, but don't forget to bring back this blue where it was. You understand? So now we can now rotate the red to meet the white. So now if you look closely, we have red, we have blue, and we have orange. What is left is green and this white. Where is the piece? This is it. We bring it and then we rotate it 180. but you see it's mixed up. So you make that same set of moves. You turn the right side up, you push the green piece away, and then you rotate back this piece to come and meet this green here. So don't forget to bring back this red too, if not you mess up everything. And then you can now rotate this green to form the white cross. Forming this white cross, now you see that orange, this center piece matches with white, this green matches with white, this red matches with white, same as the blue matches with white. Just follow for more. I will upload how to solve these corner pieces in the next video.